wish to express our concern on the poor and haphazard levels of accountability on the constitutionally mandated responsibility for water and sanitation services and resource management in Kenya. We particularly wish to call out the decline in such accountability since the onset of devolution. The lack of accountability in the water sector, particularly by county governments and associated partners, has been impacting water availability and access to Kenyans across the country.
That the government develops a mechanism for provision of real-time water sector data that is publicly available and which can be used for timely decision-making. 2, that the county governments fully exercise their mandate of soil and water conservation and water supply to citizens. And 3, that stakeholders involve communities from the onset of the water projects to ensure ownership and sustainability. 3, that full implementation of the laid models for the rural water service provision guidelines by Water Services Regulatory Board. 5, that counties domesticate the public participation guidelines to guide its practice.